You guys, look at the beauty. The beauty, beauty, beauty. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hold on, let me clean this lens. This lens is dirty, girl. That's better. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day, another day here in Paris. In Paris. It's not so cold today as the previous days, but it's still cold. So, we're in Paris and we're heading in the city, the heart of the party today. It's the last full day here before we head back home to Nice. So we're making the best of today with the family. Tyler has never seen the Eiffel Tower lit up. The Eiffel Tower lit up every hour for 5 minutes in the evenings. If you guys didn't know, now you know. So I have seen it on my very first trip here to France. The very first day I landed, I saw the Eiffel Tower lit up. That was a date babe took me on, and I'll forever have that memory in my head because it was so meaningful and so romantic and felt so nice in that moment. So I always wanted Tyler to see it lit up, and it doesn't really matter how many times you've seen the Eiffel Tower lit up, you can't, it feels like the first time every time. So we're heading there today, but we're making a stop first to let the kids have some fun. Our aim is to stop at the Science Museum first, to let Sarah and Tyler have a little fun, and then when it becomes dark we should be heading to the Eiffel Tower to catch that first hour of light when it lit up, so we can return home and have a good dinner with the entire family. So here goes Paris. Tyler, say hello. Tata di bonjour. Tonton di bonjour. Babe. Hey. And you guys, of course, babe, attention. Of course, you guys will see Sarah. Sarah is sitting in the stroller enjoying the queen treatment. Let's go see. What? Me around vacation, me around. But me don't see Sarah, you see a wicked. Sarah, say hello, please. Good girl. What the man wicked? You don't say babe that have no baby. Let them see me and meet you up. Anyway, you guys, we're heading to Paris. So let's go enjoy today, and you guys will see the Eiffel Tower lit up in this vlog. So don't miss that. So don't miss that. This will be a special romantic vlog for you all lovers who have never seen the Eiffel Tower lit up before. Today is the day you'll see it. So let's go. our destination stop. For right now, we are at Cité des Sciences et de l'Industrie. It's a city of science and of industries. Okay, so it's a science museum. We're gonna head inside, and there's age group for Sarah and Tyler. So we're gonna have to decide which section Sarah goes and which section Tyler goes, because they have for age 2 to 7. But I think that section will be too baby for Ty. So we're gonna have to decide who goes where. We made it to the science museum, but the one that we wanted the kids to do, which was an activity for their age group, when we got here the session had started 20 minutes earlier and they couldn't open the door to send us in, so we had to choose something else, which Tyler chose planet. So it was a session teaching him about all the planets and the sun and the stars and everything that have to do with the planet. So he enjoyed that, and then after that there's exhibitions inside these doors that you can walk around and read things about the stones and everything about planet related. So he's in there and he really doesn't want to come out. I've been outside literally about 30 minutes now waiting on them to exit, but Tyler has just kept reading and reading and reading. He's so interested, he doesn't want to come out. Once it's history, then you know Tyler is all in. Anyway, I'm here just lounging around. I'm with Sarah. After we leave here, we should be heading to the Eiffel Tower to see the lights, and then back home for some good last family dinner. So stay tuned for all that goodness. We found an aquarium and Sarah is loving it. Sarah, what's that? Sarah, what's that? Sarah, what's this? Fish. Wow. You see the fish there?
Yes.
Sarah, come on.
Ooh, the big one.
Sarah, look up. Ah, look at her face. Come, let's go. Let's continue. See fish. Wow. Wow, Sarah. Touch him. Look, look, Sarah. Touch him. Touch the fish. Touch the fish. That she's so brave. I thought she would be scared. Sarah, come, Sarah, look. She's not scared at all. Touch the fish, Sarah. Touch the fish. Ah! Whoa! It's you. Sarah, come, Sarah. Tyler, come. Look. Whoa!
That big one is scary for me.
It's scary for you? Yeah. Sarah, touch him. Touch him, Sarah. You see, Sarah? Sarah not scared. Touch him, Sarah. Touch him. They're huge. Okay, you guys, we made it to the Eiffel Tower. We came. Ta-da! It's light up, but it's lit with the European flag right now. So there you guys have it. In 15 minutes you're gonna see lots of different lights on it. So that's what it's looking like right now. The entire crew is out here. They have different lights. They have the Eiffel Tower lighting up. Sarah, look, light! Look! Wow, look! Wow! Light! Oh, you guys, I have to show you guys this beauty. See where I am. The lights and the European flag is beautiful. Yes!
Starting. 19h, ça commence, c'est parti. T'as vu Tyler?
She's right on time.
Coucou. Tyler. Regarde, moi aussi je scintille, Tyler.
Allez, Jacques, marche tous, tranquille.
You see me?
Ah, see your head.
You not seen it to Eiffel?
Just your head. You have a big head. That's fine.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah. So you guys, that was the 7 o'clock light that we catch, but this light will stay on for a while because of something have to do with Europe going on, so they're keeping on the Europe flag. It's still beautiful. So there I came, I saw, I have no regret of seeing that light. I love every minute of it. I could stay here and just look at it all day. We're heading home right now for dinner. Sarah is hungry, everybody's hungry, so let's go home. Hopefully you guys enjoy that Eiffel Tower lighting. We are so close, I can literally touch it. Look, oh my gosh, what a beauty. Where's Tyler? Yes? You're hungry? When you're reaching the train, you get snack. Hey, husband. Casually cruising on the Eiffel Tower. No big deal. So pretty. Tata on the raclette with the cheese. Look at all that cheese over there. C'est beaucoup de fromage.
Je coupe le fromage.
She says she's cutting the cheese.
Avec amour.
Avec quoi?
Amour.
Amour? C'est quoi amour?
Couper le fromage avec amour.
Avec amour, mon amour.
Ah, ok.
Oui,
Cutting the
on va les.
cheese. Love.
T'embête pas, on va les
Coupe
doubler.
le fromage.
On va, on va,
With
pas,
love.
on va les doubler. Hein. Si c'est-
So you guys, we're back from the city and we're home and getting the city one ready for bed. Everybody's actually getting ready for bed, but first we have to have dinner and cheese for me.
Si tu veux.
Ça suffit là, tu comprends. Ah ouais, non.
Oh, mais ça rentre comme ça avec la viande, tout ça.
Ah
Ben,
ouais, non, mais c'est pas grave. hein.
Pas mal.
Là, tu
Pas mal.
t'embêtes
pour la raclette fondue,
Pas mal.
tu connais.
Pas mal, bébé.
Pas
Ça
mal.
va.
Pas comme ça.
Ouais, mais c'est mieux.
So he gave me the cheese to taste before we put it in the raclette. You guys know we love a good raclette. And if you're wondering what raclette is, it's cheese that will go in this machine with meat and then throw over potatoes. And that is a winter best here in France. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner right now. So Tata is cutting up the cheese, the potato is going to cook, and then all the goodness will go down.
Typical French aperitif.
On n'oublie pas.
Typical French. Typical French aperitif before we eat.
Oui.
Yes.
Santé.
Can't forget
Santé. The cheers.
What's the anti-award one from
Gin.
aperitif?
Gin. Yay. And look at this one here. Living our best unicorn life. Anyway, you guys, drinking and munching before it's time to din din.